Hello students, today I am again here to continue with our previous topic. In our previous topic we have read about 4-digit number. It was just an introduction of 4-digit number. I told you how to write the name of 4 digits number. Today we will continue with the topic. So let us see how to fit the 4-digit number in abacus. Okay? See how we write this number. In thousands place there are 3 beads. So it will be 3. In hundred place 1, 2, 3, 4 beads are there. So 4. In tens place 2 beads are there. So 2. And in ones place 1 bead is there. So the number became 3421. Now let us take one more example. See, in thousands place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads are there. In hundred place 3 beads are there. In tens place 1, 2, 3, 4 beads are there. And in ones place 2 beads. So the number became 4342. I hope with these two examples you will come to know how to name the number, how to write the number and how to fit them in abacus chart. Now, we already have done successor and predecessors of 3-digit numbers. Same will be followed in 4-digit number also. One topic that we have not touched yet is how to write the numbers in increasing order or ascending order, or decreasing order, or we can say descending order. Now, I know you all have read increasing and decreasing order in class 2nd also. But I think it's compulsory for all to revise it once again. So, if I talk about increasing order is also known as ascending order. Ascending order, see, whenever we talk about ascending order, increasing order, keep in your mind that we have to climb the stairs from the lowest staircase to the highest. Got it? So here also from the lowest number we have to go to the highest number. Least to greatest. That is known as increasing or ascending order. Just opposite is decreasing order. When we are coming down from the stairs, means from the uppermost staircase to the lowermost. Got it? From the biggest number to the smallest number. First we write the biggest number and then at the last we will have to write the smallest number. With one example, I want to explain you ascending as well as descending order. See, here we are given with some of the numbers and we have to arrange it in ascending or increasing order as well as descending or decreasing order. First, let us arrange them in ascending order or increasing order. Increasing order. If we arrange them in increasing order, I am writing only IN for increasing. Okay. So how will we write the number? I already told you we have to climb the staircase. So first we will find out the lowest number. The number is 5117. 5217. 6217. 6117. So the lowest number among them is 5117. Okay. So this number we will write at first. Next number that is greater than this number is, yes, 5217. Then the next number that is greater than 5217 is, among these two is 6117. Yes. And then the last one is 6217. So this is how we have written the number in increasing or ascending order. Now how to write it in descending or decreasing order? DE only I am writing for decreasing order. I already told you we have to come down from the staircase. How? First we will write the biggest number. Biggest is 6217. Then lower than that 6117. Then 5217, and at the last the lowest number 5170. This is one of the example. I want to give you one more example with which you can understand the thing more refinedly, and then I give you a worksheet based on these questions. This time the worksheet will be a compiled worksheet of the previous session also and this session also. Okay, so let us write one more example. $4,290. Suppose these are the numbers. So these are four numbers and we have to arrange them in increasing and decreasing order. So first we are arranging in increasing order. In increasing order it will be, let us find out the lowest one, that is 1940. Then greater than that, greater than this 3945. Then coming to the next step 4219. Then the greatest will be 4920. Here we are climbing the stairs from lower to higher. Okay. Now decreasing, we will come from highest to lowest. Just opposite of this. 4920 is the highest number or the greatest number, then 4219, then 3945, and at the last or the lowest number will be 1940. I hope with these examples you will be able to understand the concept of increasing and decreasing order. Thank you for this session. In next session I will introduce a new topic. Thank you.